Living alive on the planet Earth is not much easy as we think. Even it's human or the king of the jungle. It doesn't matter. Surviving is all about sense, strength, speed, toxicity, bravery, unity, struggle. It's impossible to having these qualities in one species. It's difficult, but don't forget to tell us in comment box, is there any species having these all qualities? Which is the most dangerous animal on the planet Earth? Are we the most dangerous animal? What do you think? Before starting this video, we have to clear our concept about venom and poison. Venom, a toxic substance produced by some animals such as snakes, scorpions or bees that is injected into prey or an enemy chiefly by biting or stinging and has an injurious or lethal effect. Poison, a substance that through its chemical action usually kills, injures or impairs an organism. Explanations: median lethal dose. For example, the inland taipan average quantity of venom delivered 44 mg and the maximum dose is 110 mg. Fact: one bite of this snake can kill 100 fully grown mans and 250,000 mice. LD50 value in mice is 0.025 mg per kg. King cobra. It can deliver up to 420 mg venom in dry weight, 400 to 600 mg overall per bite. Fact: it can kill an elephant in one bite. LD50 value in mice is 1.5 to 1.7 mg per kg through subcutaneous injection. Let's compare these two snakes' venom toxicity. Inland taipan LD50 subcutaneous 0.025 mg per kg. Average venom bite 44 to 110 mg. King cobra LD50 subcutaneous 1.7 mg per kg. Average venom bite 400 to 600 mg. King cobra can kill an adult elephant just because of its venom quantity that is produced in a single bite. It does not mean that its venom is more toxic than inland taipan. It's all about biggest venom yield. Inland taipan lowest amount makes more kill than fire coral. Mellifera are a genus of colonial marine organisms that exhibit physical characteristics similar to that of coral. The name coral is somewhat misleading as fire coral are not true corals but are instead more closely related to hydra and other hydrozoans, making them hydrocorals. They make up the only genus in the monotypic family Melliferidae. Distinguishing characteristics: fire corals have a bright yellow, green and brown skeleton covering and are widely distributed in tropical and subtropical waters. They appear in small brush-like growth on rocks and coral. Divers often mistake fire coral for seaweed and accidental contact is common. Upon contact an intense pain can be felt that can last from 2 days to 2 weeks. Distribution and habitat: fire corals are found on reefs in the Indian, Pacific and Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. They form extensive outcrops on projecting part of the reef where the tidal current are strong. They are also abundant on upper reef slopes and in lagoons and occur down to 40-meter deep. Fire salamander. The fire salamander is possibly the best known salamander species in Europe. It is black with yellow spots or stripes to a varying degree. Some specimens can be nearly completely black while on other the yellow is dominant. Shades of red and orange may sometimes appear, either replacing or mixing with the yellow according to subspecies. Fire salamander can have a very long lifespan. One specimen lived for more than 50 years in Museum Queen. Their habitat, behavior and diet. Fire salamander live in Central Europe forests and are more common in hilly areas. They prefer deciduous forests since they like to hide in fallen leaves and around mossy tree trunks. They need small brooks or ponds with clean water in their habitat for the development of the larvae. Whether on land or in water, fire salamander are inconspicuous. They spend more of their time hidden under wood or other objects. They are active in the evening and the night, but on rainy days they are active in the daytime as well. The diet of the salamander consists of various insects, spiders, earthworms, and slugs, but they also occasionally eat newt and young frogs. In captivity, they eat crickets, mealworms, waxworms, and silkworms larvae. Small prey will be catched within the range of the worm teeth or by the posterior half of the tongue, to which the prey adheres. It weighs about 40 grams. The fire salamander is one of the Europe's largest salamander and can grow to be 15 to 25 centimeters, 5.9 to 9.8 inches long. Toxicity: the fire salamander primary alkali toxin, samandarin, causes strong muscles, convulsion, and hypertension, combined with hyperventilation in all vertebrates. The poison gland of the fire salamander are concentrated in certain areas of the body, especially around the head and the dorsal skin surface. The colored portion of the animal can usually coincide with these glands. Compounds in the skin secretion may be effective against bacterial and fungal infection of the epidermis. Some are potentially dangerous to human life. Distribution: fire salamander are found in most of southern and central Europe. They are most commonly found at altitude between 250 meters, 820 feet, and 1000 meters, 3300 feet, only rarely below in northern Germany, sporadically down to 25 meters, 82 feet. However, in the Balkans or Spain, they are commonly found in higher altitude as well, and there are so many subspecies of the salamander. Death cap mushroom, Amanita phalloides, commonly known as the death cap, is a deadly poisonous basidiomycete fungus, one of many in the genus Amanita. Description: the death cap has a large and imposing epigeous fruiting body, usually with a pilus from 5 to 15 cm, 2 to 6 inches across, initially rounded and hemispherical, but flattening with age. The color of the cap can be pale yellowish or olive green, often paler toward the margin and often paler after rain. The cap surface is sticky when wet and easily peeled, or troublesome feature, as that is allegedly a feature of edible fungi. Their distribution and habitat: the death cap is native to Europe, where it is widespread. It is found from the southern coastal region of Scandinavia in the north to Ireland in the west, east to Poland and western Russia, and south throughout the Balkans, in Greece, Italy, Spain, and Portugal, in the Mediterranean basin, and in Morocco and Algeria in North Africa. In West Africa, it has been reported from forests and northern Iran. There are records from further east in Asia, but these have yet to be confirmed as aphiloides. It appears most commonly under oak, but also under beeches, chestnut, horse chestnut, beeches, filbert, hornbeam, pines, and cypresses. In other areas, may also be associated with these trees or with only some species and not other. Toxicity: as the common name suggests, the fungus is highly toxic and is responsible for the majority of fatal mushroom poisoning worldwide. Its biochemistry has been researched intensively for decades, and 30 grams or half a cap of this mushroom is estimated to be enough to kill a human. On average, one person dies a year in North America from death cap ingestion. Some authorities strongly advise against putting suspected death cap in the same basket with fungi collected for the table and to avoid even touching them. Furthermore, the toxicity is not reduced by cooking, freezing, or drying. The lionfish. Petrois is a genus of venomous marine fish, commonly known as lionfish, native to the Indo-Pacific, also called zebrafish, firefish, turkeyfish, tasty fish, or butterfly cod. It is characterized by warning coloration with red, white, creamy, or black bands, showy pectoral fins, and venomous spiky fin rays. Juvenile lionfish have a unique tentacles located above their eye sockets that varies in phenotype between between species. The evolution of these tentacles is suggested to serve to continually attract new prey. According to a study that involved the dissection of over 1400 lionfish stomach from Bahamas to North Carolinian waters, Batroi's fish prey mostly on small fish, invertebrates and mollusks in large amount, with some specimens stomach containing up to 6 different species of prey. Predation. Aside from instances of large lionfish individuals engaging in cannibalism on smaller individuals, adult lionfish have few identified natural predation, likely from the effectiveness of their venomous spines. Moray eels, blue-spotted cornet fish, and large grouper like the tiger grouper, Nassau grouper, have been observed preying on lionfish. It remains unknown, however, how commonly these predators prey on lionfish. Range. The lionfish is a predator native to the Indo-Pacific. It aggressively preys on small fish and invertebrates. They can be found around the seaward edge of reefs and coral, in lagoons and on rocky surfaces, commonly to 50 meters deep, although lionfish have on occasion been recorded to 300 meter depth. The lionfish interaction with humans. Lionfish are known for their venomous fin rays, an uncommon features among reef-dwelling fish along the American East Coast and Caribbean. The potency of their venom makes them excellent predator and hazardous to fishermen and divers. Polythua toxica. Polythua toxica was first discovered in the small district of Mulia on the island of Maui in Hawaii. Its habitat was a shallow pool about 10 inches 25 centimeters deep, which was subject to inflow or fresh water during periods of heavy rainfall. So it would appear to be a Aruhelin species. The xanthoid has since been discovered in the few other locations in the Hawaiian island. Polythua toxica contain polytoxin, one of the most poisonous substances known. This xanthoid is not the only member of its genus to contain the toxin. That distinction is shared by Polythua tuberculosa. The latter species has a seasonal cycle, varying in toxicity at different times of year, whereas Polythua toxica is equally toxic all year round. Other species of Polythua have also been shown to contain the substance's varying amount at different time and in different places, and some algae and certain crabs and fish have been found to contain it. Fish keepers keep Polythua toxica and other species of the genus's reef aquarium. This practice has led to poisoning of hobbyists who have carelessly handled the organism. The LD50 of Polythua toxica is 0.4 microgram per kilogram.